Hello viewers, welcome to Gadget Spares. Today I have this JBL GO Bluetooth speakers, first generation Bluetooth speakers motherboard for sale. This is harvested from working JBL GO Bluetooth speaker. So the first generation of JBL GO Bluetooth speaker will look like this. You can go through. This is the top look, power on button, Bluetooth button, volume minus, volume plus and call, attend and disconnect button. So this is the front look. This is the right look. Here there is auxiliary input here, and this is charging, micro USB charging to charge the speaker itself, and this hole is for mic. So this side, this is to carry. If you want to carry, you can carry using some strap or something like that. This is the bottom look. You can just go through. This is the original JBL GO first generation Bluetooth speaker. So the purpose of the video is, if you have any problematic JBL GO Bluetooth speaker, like if you are charging, the red light is not coming, if the speaker is not responding, not turning on or not charging, there is no indication, then you can replace this motherboard. If everything is working, the audio quality is not good, the sound might be distorted, that means the audio section problem will be there. So in that case you can replace this motherboard. And sometimes the speaker will work perfectly, but if you charge, there will be no light here, so the charging section will be gone, or sometimes the main Bluetooth module will be gone. In that case the total speaker will be dead. So in that case also you can replace this motherboard. There are so many series in JBL GO. There are 3 or 4 series, I'm not sure exactly, but I have so many series motherboard is available here. This is one series, and this is one more series, and this is also one more series. So in these 5 motherboards there are 3 different series, but the beauty of this JBL GO is all the motherboards are compatible to any of the series of JBL GO first generation Bluetooth speaker. So need not worry, you can replace any of the motherboard to this speaker. No need to check the serial number or nothing. Even if the buttons are not working, in that case also you can replace the motherboard, because I am going to sell this motherboard in very reasonable prices I will give in the title and in the description, you can see. And to replace this motherboard, how to replace this motherboard, I am going to give one link. I am going to give link very soon in the description, so you can just click that link and watch the video how to replace the motherboard to any of this JBL GO Bluetooth speaker. And now I want to show you, since this is harvested from original JBL GO first generation Bluetooth speaker, I want to show you a small demo by connecting any battery and a speaker, so that you can recognize that this motherboard is 100% original. So I am going to pick any of the motherboard randomly. So this I will pick. So I am going to connect. I have this 18650 battery. So this is just to show the working functionality. Now I am going to solder these batteries to this motherboard. So in the motherboard it is clearly written, this is plus, this is the neutral white color, and this one is minus. So this you can follow even in your motherboard. This is the plus. So I am going to connect this. I'm just going to show you how this motherboard works. So this is the connection. I'm just simply connecting here to show the demo. So now I am turning on this speaker. So you can see the blue light is coming. As the blue light comes in this JBL GO, I will show here. This is the blue light. Now I have one sample speaker to show you, which I am going to connect here. Just by inserting it, the speaker is connected. Now I am going to, you can listen the sound when I turn on. So this is the sound. Now I am pressing the Bluetooth. So this is the sound. The blue light is blinking fast. Similar thing will happen here. I'm turning on. You can listen the sound, beep sound. Now I will press the Bluetooth and this light will blink fast. So this is the sound. Now I am going to show you a small demo here by connecting it to the Bluetooth. Since this is original JBL GO, the name will come here. So the JBL GO is coming here. I'm just clicking that. So this light will get steady. Now it is connected. Now I am going to play a song here. Increasing the volume. So the quality of this JBL GO first generation Bluetooth speaker is extraordinary. There is no comparison. This is very excellent motherboard. Even you can buy this for DIY projects. You can just connect this type of batteries and you can use any of these 3 watts, or this is the 3 watts Philips speaker, 4 ohms 3 watts. So this is compatible with this motherboard. So this will blast for the size. This is very small size, but the sound will be very good. You would have listened that sound, the without box itself the sound is very good. Now I will show you the charging functionality of this motherboard. When I charge here, when I connect this USB, the red light will come here. So this is the charging. Now I'm just taking out, the light will go. When I connect, here red light will come here like this. In the same case I am going to show in this speaker itself. Now I am connecting the charger. You can see the red light is coming here. So since there is a grill and cloth and all will be there behind this, so the light will be bit dim because I have so many lights here in studio. So, but this is open, so the light will glow. This is the light. Even if I turn on, you can see the light becomes little bit of pinkish. While charging, if you remove it will be blue, if you connect it will be pinkish, and this even this speaker will behave same. Now it is red. Now when I am turning on, you can see now I have turned on. You can see the light is little bit pinkish. Closer, like this. Here it is blinking. It is not blinking here because this is connected to the mobile, that is the reason. Now I will show all the functionalities of the button by connecting the speaker so that you can listen. I will reduce the volume and I will increase the volume, and then I will play pause using this button, similar to this functionality. So this is the volume minus, the center button. You can see this is the center button, volume minus. This is the plus. Now I am pressing that. So this is the play pause button. Even this is used for Google Voice Assistance. If you continuously press, like I will show here. You can see the sound has come. Again I will press. You can see try saying make a phone call, like that option is coming when I press this button. So even you can use this for Google Siri. So this is the working functionality. I have shown the Bluetooth button because without pressing that you cannot connect the this motherboard. So it is already connected. Now I will turn off this motherboard. Alright, this is the functionalities of the button. And the one more part is, there will be a mic here to take calls or receive calls or disconnect. That mic will be there in your speaker. You can just desolder. This is the mic section here. Minus and plus will be there. It is written here. You can see. I am coming closer. So here very small minus and plus is written here. So the black wire of the mic will go to minus and the red wire will go to plus. You just have to solder that. So this is the motherboard for sale. Alright. If you want to buy this motherboard, you can just do message on the above WhatsApp number given here, and the price of these motherboards I will give in the description. Price will be very cheap and very competitive. This is the first time in YouTube somebody is selling this type of spares of original product like JBL, original brand like JBL, you can just buy directly, and the price of the motherboard I will give in the title and in the description. You can just see. Alright, if you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares and hit that notification bell icon for the more updates. If you have any doubts or any clarification is required, just do message on the given comment section. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.